share my screen so you can see how we demonstrated our charts. We're going to look at the wick rejection today. Let's go and share my charts. So when you see a wick rejection, what should you do about it? We are looking at our first chart demonstration, EURJPY. So the market has been bullish throughout the Asian section, and we saw some wick rejection signal from our Wick Hunter indicator. So the blue box here is our trading zone. Should I say not that, our trading time frame, the duration of our trade actually. So I like to trade between the New York midnight, between these 2 points here. I want to see my trade entry. If I can't get a trade opportunity between this time frame, I skip trading for the day. So that's one of my discipline. So as you can see, the wick rejection here is actually screaming sell, and what we did was have this wick rejection at this point, inverted hammer, and that is the beginning of our time frame, our trading time window, trading window. I guess that's the right word, our trading window. Then at the close of our trading window, we got another wick rejection, and like I said, how do you use this Wick Hunter indicator? Whenever you see your Wick Hunter signal, you want to confirm with your RSI boss, but your trade entry should be at the close of the signal arrow, and your stop loss should be above, not at the top of the arrow, but at the top of the label. Okay, that's just another signal coming in. As you can see, it Wick Hunter multi-pair alert. So there's a signal for 5 minutes time frame dragon dodging, but we are not picking that. We just want to analyze this particular trade. So your entry at the next candle, your stop loss above the label. So where you have your inverted hammer label, that's where you have your stop loss. Then on the second window, trade opportunity, there's another weak rejection, and you now enter the close of that candle and place your stop loss above the label. So this is a shooting star, while this is inverted hammer. So if you have missed this opportunity of this particular inverted hammer, you should be looking for your trade at the shooting star. So you have here 16 pips stop loss, very reasonable stop loss. And we also have here 11 pips stop loss. So either of the two trades gave you a reasonable entry point as well as a reasonable stop loss. So from that moment, we saw this big drop that gave us 51 pips take profit. Your target, it's supposed to be at the low of the start of the day, which is the most obvious low here. But the trade went that direction for 48 pips. So that is how you use the Wick Hunter indicator and how you place your trade based on what you see. You see the candle, you see the arrow, and you see the name of the arrow, of the candle rather. So this candle is an inverted hammer, this other candle is a shooting star. So the logic for your trade entry is you enter at the beginning of the next candle and your stop loss comes above the label. Now, this label was structured to make sure that it aligns with your ATR. We can't go into that now. That's not the purpose of this video. This video is to talk about our Wick rejection and how we use the Wick Hunter indicator to filter out bad trades so that we get high probability trades only. So that's that for EURJPY. The other pair that we focused on was EURUSD, my most favorite pair, for trading. So again,